Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Sarah. Today I have a DIY video for you. After the year and a half that we've all had, I imagine there are tons of people who are just dying to get their weddings going and get married. So today I have a wedding specific video. It is for if you want to do like a bridal proposal box or just bridal gifts in general. I have a few ideas on how you can customize it, and I think these would fit a lot of different budgets. If you wanted to go really expensive, I think that you could use these ideas and kind of like build off of them. But I think also if you wanted to go more inexpensive, you could also do that too with these ideas. So I will be featuring some jewelry in these gift boxes, and I think jewelry is such a nice gift to give your bridesmaids because it's something that's kind of like a memento that they can remember the day and they can always wear it or keep it forever. And you can really kind of pick something that you think fits their personality and that they like, and then bonus points, they can also wear it on the day if they want to. The jewelry I will be showing in this video is from Ana Luisa. They did send me this necklace plus the earrings that I'm going to show you. Ana Luisa is a great brand. I've actually purchased from them in the past. They are very sustainable and you can find pieces starting at $39, so they kind of fit a lot of different budgets. They're also super quick with shipping, which is great if you live in Canada like me. I've ordered from them and it came really quickly, and they package it so nicely too. It even comes in its own little pouch. So if you do like the jewelry that I show you, or if you want to check out their website and see what they have to offer, I will have a link in my description where you can get 10% off. Just need to use my discount, which is types 10. Okay, so let's get started. I will make sure to link anything else that I've used in this video, any of the DIY components that I use. I will most likely be using Cricut for a lot of this, so if you want to download any of those SVGs, those will be linked in the description box below, and I will definitely get into that in more detail once we get going with the DIYs. Okay, so I have 3 different proposal boxes or gifts to show you. This is the first one. It's a Matchbox style like jewelry holder box. It's really easy to make. I have the template in the description box for you to download. You can use this on your Cricut. You can also just print it and use it as a template to cut out using an X-Acto knife, but the Cricut makes it so much easier. I'm using the score tool here, so I've added score lines, and this just allows the Cricut to use that tool and create those lines so that when you fold it, it makes a really nice sharp fold. I also tried using the pen to do a drawing on the front. It worked on the inside insert, which I will show you, but it just didn't look great on the main top of the box. I was trying to do a "Will you be my bridesmaid" message with a floral design, but the way that the Cricut does their drawing is just not great. So this is the insert where it worked, and I liked this, but the front didn't look great, so I decided to do a vinyl cutout instead with just a really simple "Will you be my bridesmaid." I'll also have this file that you can use. It's just a very simple font, and I like how the pink looks on the craft. But the great thing about this project is you can really customize it as much as you like. You could use a different color of cardstock, maybe black or blush pink, and then you can pretty much do whatever design you want on the top. You could print on it, or you could draw on it. You could do what I did with a vinyl cutout. So the options are endless. You can really make this as custom as you want. So once I have all of those pieces cut out and designed, I'm going to fold along the score lines. I like to fold everything first before I glue it, just so I know where things are going once I can see what the shape will look like. So once I do that, I'm going to use white glue and then just put that on the pieces that I'm going to glue together. When you glue it together, you can hold it for like a minute if you want, because it will come apart unless you're using something to hold it together. So you can hold it with your hands, or you can use something like, I'm using these binder clips. I have little mini ones, but you could also use like paper clips or even bobby pins, just something to hold it together while the glue dries. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the top. This is actually what will wrap around the box. And then once both of those dry, it's pretty much ready to go. I'm just gonna use this insert to put the necklace on. So I'm grabbing my necklace from Ana Luisa. I took it off of their card and then just wrapped it around. There's little kind of slots on the right and left side. So you can just put the necklace inside those. And in the back, you can just tape the chain in place so it doesn't move around too much if you want. You could even try putting it in like a tiny little Ziploc bag and then taping that in place. Either way works. And there's also this little like flap that you can fold up just so it's easier to take that card out when you want to. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute. You could definitely do more with it. You could find some cool colored cardstock and get creative with your design. The options are endless. So for this item, we are going to customize the beautiful pouch that comes with your jewelry when you purchase from Ana Luisa. They come in a really nice little blue velvet pouch. It just opens with this button. It has the logo in gold, and then inside is your jewelry. Might as well take advantage of these, and we're just going to customize them using my Cricut. You could put their name, or you can maybe make it a proposal and ask them if they'll be your bridesmaid. So if you want to give something small and you want to just go with the jewelry and maybe a card, this is a really great idea because it already comes kind of like packaged in a like kind of gift kind of format, and then you can also just customize it even further just to make it extra special. So that's what we're gonna do for this option. And we're back to the Cricut again. I have 4 little extra kind of scrap pieces that I have of the heat transfer vinyl. I have 2 in the rose gold, or I guess it's metallic pink, and then 1 black and 1 gold, or 2 gold, whatever. So I wanted to try different colors with the different pouches. With the navy one, I have a gold option and then the metallic pink option. And to write Sarah, I actually just wrote this by hand on my iPad. For the other pouch, I have a gold and a black version, and I'm using a font I bought off of Creative Market. I'll make sure to link that font in the description box. I love the font. It has a lot of really cool variations. So for the velvet pouch, I decided to go with the gold. And to apply the heat transfer, I just used a pillowcase as a barrier and my iron for like 30 seconds. And I always kind of like to go over it with the same fabric and just rub it in while it cools down a little bit. And you can see when I peel the transfer vinyl tape, whatever it is, off, it leaves the vinyl very secure to the velvet. I wasn't sure because it was velvet, but this worked really, really well. And just to secure it even more, I'm just going over it with the iron. So for this pouch, these beautiful earrings came with it. I love them. They're called the Celeste earrings, and they are 110 Canadian dollars, but again, you can use my discount code for 10% off. I think this with just a card is super special, and it's really cute with the name customized on it. So the last one is not just the necklace or not just jewelry, but a few other little goodies to make them feel extra special. To wrap this up, I actually got this acrylic box off of Amazon. I love it. I think you could customize this in so many different ways. And not only that, the bride can definitely use this afterwards. So I'm just gonna fill it first with tissue paper on the bottom. And again, you could make this even cuter with some like metallic tissue paper maybe. Whatever floats your boat. And then I got this sleeping eye mask in a really cute zebra print, like a silk finish. And this is the necklace that I'm putting in. It is the willow necklace from Ana Luisa. It is 110 Canadian dollars. And of course, I customized the pouch with my name. So I'm also adding in this gua sha. I like these things because I hold a lot of tension in my jaw. So I think it's just kind of a nice little like self-care kind of kit, especially maybe if they're traveling because eye mask on the plane. And just to make this a little bit more bridal, I thought it'd be cute to put a ribbon around it and stamp the ribbon with like a stamp that says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" I wanted to do this with black, so I tried, but the black at ribbon is actually more of like a polyester kind of finish. It's a bit like slippery and shiny. So I tried this white fabric ink that I have in my Etsy store, but it just wasn't showing up as well. So then I decided to go with the cotton tape and black ink, which showed up much better. I just don't think like maybe the cotton tape is like the vibe with the rest of it. The black I think would have been way cuter. Or if I would have dyed the cotton tape, maybe like pink or something. Anyways, I have this stamp in my Etsy shop if you want to grab it yourself, and I'll make sure to link the stuff that I got inside of it in the acrylic box because that is all from Amazon. But this is what it looks like. It has the customization with the name, and then it also has the proposal with the stamp. And I think it looks really cute, and it's stuff that they will definitely use and not throw away. So I hope this gave you some inspiration. Maybe you could think of other ideas that would suit your brides more, but I do think jewelry is kind of something that suits a lot of people because there's always styles that you can find to suit their personality or their taste. And again, it's something that they can keep forever and remember that moment. A big thanks to Anna Louisa for sending me those items. I hope you liked them. And remember, if you want to grab some for yourself, you can go to their website using the link in my description box, and you can get 10% off using the Types 10 code. So if you are having a wedding, good luck. Remember to stop and enjoy it because it flies by, and I will see you next time.